Hi, I'm Poppy and I am Timstar's junior scientist. Hi, I'm Poppy and I'm going to show you my version of the baking powder volcano experiment using Timstar's Neo-Sci volcano model kit. Volcanic eruptions are caused by a build-up of pressure inside the earth, which, when released, causes the magma to explode to the surface. First, you need to add 20 grams of sodium bicarbonate or baking powder to the volcano base. Then, connect the tube of the volcano cone and then place it on top of the base. Fill a beaker with 60 milliliters of vinegar. I've also added a bit of food colouring and a few drops of washing up liquid so it makes it look more like lava when it erupts. When I pour the liquid into the funnel, it mixes with the baking powder and produces CO2 or carbon dioxide. This gas causes the build-up of the pressure in the volcano base, which forces the mixture up and out of the cone, just as if it was a real volcano. We'll try that one again, shall we? That worked much better. Thanks for watching. Bye. Watch out for more of my Timstar videos coming soon on the Junior Scientist page. While you're there, why not take a look at the Timstar Knowledge Hub, where you will find even more experiments from Stephen Gates and Franz Scott.